Okay, folks, so your Toyota Land Cruiser door key is not engaging. This is to give you an overview on how to fix it one possible way. So as you can see, you got to get the door open, get into where the linkage is coming from where the key is. As you can see in the little picture. So this is when it's working correctly. It's engaging, moving it up and down, locking and unlocking the door. This is what has happened, most likely, to your door, is that linkage has fallen out of there, which is really frustrating because sometimes it might work, but it mostly won't ever work. So I used electrical tape and some glue. Zip tie might work really well. It does not look beautiful, but it's inside the door. You can't see it, and it just works. It's kind of a lame fix, but it works. Keeps it in there. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.